Let me now take you to the election season of Jammu and Kashmir. Ahead of the third phase, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, addressing a rally in the Jammu region, started to feel unwell. But he returned to the stage to address the crowd. Now here's then what happened. He took the opportunity to launch a sharp criticism at Prime Minister Modi, saying that he's determined to stay healthy and that until Modi is ousted from power. Now, Prime Minister Modi did not really say anything on it. In fact, he inquired about Kharge's health, spoke to him. But Home Minister Amit Shah condemned Kharge's comments and charged him, saying this simply reflects Congress's hate toward Modi and called the comment distasteful and disgraceful. He also took a dig that wishing Kharge a long life, expressed that he would witness the creation of a Viksit Bharat by 2047.
स्टेटहुड का तो मैं बोला हूँ, स्टेटहुड जरूर देंगे और उसके लिए हम जरूर लड़ेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो। मैं ऐसा ही छोड़ने वाला नहीं। अब मेरे को तो 83 इयर्स चल रहे, इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ। जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूंगा, आपकी बात सुनूंगा, आपके लिए लड़ूंगा।
सत्ता से यह बात तो उनके दिल से निकली हुई है। जो बात दिल से निकली है वो सही होगी। हम सब लोग मिल करके जो मनोकामना है राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे का पूरा करेंगे।
मुझे लगता है कि खड़गे साहब राहुल गांधी के विरोधी हैं, क्योंकि मोदी जी तो अभी 100 साल बचेंगे और तब तक राहुल गांधी बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, उनको मौका नहीं मिलेगा। खड़गे साहब आप यही चाह रहे हैं। खड़गे साहब नरेंद्र मोदी हजारों साल तक भारत की जनता के दिलों पर वास करते रहेंगे। कोई जिंदा रहे कोई मर जाए, इससे कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ सकता है।
With regard to Khargeji's desire to say that I'm going to live as long as I can so that I evict Prime Minister Modi ji from the position of Prime Minister, that is for the people of India to decide. The people of India have already blessed Modi ji to serve the country in 2014, in 2019, now in 2024. So Khargeji is entitled to have a political agenda. I don't think we should mix the two issues and politicize it.
मल्लिकार्जुन जी को हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। भगवान करे उनकी उम्र अभी 80 साल की है, उनकी उम्र 100 साल से भी ज़्यादा की हो, कि मोदी तो तब तक हटेंगे नहीं। तो इसी बहाने, मोदी के बहाने उनकी उम्र लंबी हो जाए तो इसमें हमें क्या नुकसान है? हम तो चाहेंगे कि उनकी उम्र लंबी हो।
He is far beyond being in any sort of active politics or profession or vocation or business or anything. He should just retire, plain and simple. Joe Biden was forced out. I mean, he was reluctant and he absolutely wanted to contest for another and become the president of the US for another 4 years, but he was forced out. Somebody should do the same to Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge because he really needs to go.
अब नहीं बोलेंगे, अब चुनाव खत्म, वोट पड़ गया, अब सब लौट गए। ये नेताओं के चुनावी जुमले हैं, वोट लेने के तरीके हैं और कुछ नहीं है।
All right, so this has also led to a huge political showdown. Piyush Mishra is joining us as he continues to get reactions from our parties. What do you make of this comment, Piyush? How is this being escalated? Because he's saying nothing is going to happen to me, I'll be healthy. But this is to dethrone Modi. And this after he returns from clearly feeling dizzy. And how is the BJP escalating this then?
Well, BJP is making it a personal comment on Prime Minister Modi, and that is what Home Minister Amit Shah's post on X also indicates, Pooja. He is also stressing upon the fact that he would wish a healthy life for Mallikarjun Kharge, and he has also, wished that he lives till 2047. The India achieves the vision of Viksit Bharat. So that is how we are seeing this, where BJP is now making it a personal attack on the Prime Minister. You would also remember, Pooja, yesterday when this incident happened, when Mallikarjun Kharge had fallen ill. At the time, he also got conscious and he said that he would not die till the time PM Narendra Modi is dethroned. After which in the evening, later in the day, yesterday itself, Prime Minister himself had made a personal call to Mallikarjun Kharge to check upon his health. And today we are now seeing how BJP has made it a personal attack on PM Narendra Modi. So that is how we are seeing how the political war reports are now taking place on this entire comment which was yesterday made by Mallikarjun Kharge, and today BJP is escalating this by saying that it's nothing but hatred among the Congress leaders for PM Narendra Modi.
We should continue to get reactions on this. Meanwhile, here's hoping that Mr. Kharge's health and that he recovers soon with that. But is it also a question on the political discourse that we've witnessed in the past few years, in fact, specifically as elections come to a close?